THC. Torch height control system set method. Turn the red knob counterclockwise. The value reaches 0. The second knob also turn to 0. Turn the third knob to 0.55. Turn the black knob to 120. Before cutting, the lower display light will not light up. In practice, now click the locate button. The down light will light up. The torch will go down until it touches the plate. The torch will go up 0.55 distance after touch steel. Then long press the arc test button. Watch how is actual arc value. Be sure to observe whether there is air and sparks from the tip of the gun. Whether it can burn through the steel plate.